Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Channel, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun.
I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sarah. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Sarah, before we begin, let me ask you something. What do you think is one of the most confusing parts of English?
Oh, definitely phrasal verbs.
Same here. Two tiny words together suddenly mean something completely different.
Exactly. And that's what today's episode is all about.
But don't worry, this is not going to be one of those boring grammar lessons with endless lists.
Nope. We're just going to have a natural conversation, tell stories, laugh a little, and help you hear how native speakers actually use phrasal verbs in real life.
And by the end of this episode, many of these expressions will start feeling natural to you.
Wait, start feeling natural. That's exactly how language learning works.
It really does. You don't memorize everything perfectly. You slowly pick things up.
Ah, there's our first phrasal verb already. Pick up.
Yes, pick up can mean to learn something naturally over time.
Like, I picked up some Italian while traveling.
Or you'll pick up new English expressions just by listening to podcasts.
Okay, Daniel, tell me something. Did anything interesting happen to you this week?
Actually, yes. Yesterday morning was a complete disaster.
Uh-oh, what happened?
I woke up late, jumped out of bed, and had to figure out what to wear in about 2 minutes.
That's already stressful.
And then I realized I couldn't find my jacket anywhere.
Oh no! So you started looking for it everywhere?
Exactly. Under the chair, behind the sofa, inside the kitchen for some reason.
Why is the kitchen always part of the search?
I honestly don't know.
Okay, everyone, let's pause for a second because we already heard two super common phrasal verbs.
Figure out means to solve a problem or understand something.
I need to figure out this homework.
And look for means to search for something.
I'm looking for my keys.
Very natural, everyday English.
So, did you finally find the jacket?
Yes, it was under the sofa the whole time.
Classic.
So I quickly put it on, picked up my bag, and ran out the door.
Another useful one there. Put on.
We use it for clothing all the time.
Put on your shoes. Put on your coat. Put on your glasses.
Native speakers use this constantly.
Then, what happened?
I got to the bus stop, but the bus was late. Very late.
The worst feeling.
After 15 minutes, I almost gave up and called a taxi.
Give up means to stop trying.
But then I told myself, no, Daniel, carry on. Keep on waiting.
I love those two. Carry on and keep on. Both mean continue.
Carry on with your work.
Keep on practicing English.
Small expressions, but native speakers use them constantly.
Did the bus finally come?
Thankfully, yes. I got on the bus, sat down, and started trying to work out why I'm always late.
Workout is such an interesting phrasal verb because it has multiple meanings.
Right. It can mean solve a problem.
I'm trying to work out the answer.
But it can also mean exercise.
I work out at the gym.
Same words, completely different meaning.
English loves doing that.
Then I got to work and knocked on my manager's door.
And she said,
Come in.
another super useful phrasal verb.
You hear it everywhere. Homes, offices, classrooms.
Come in, please.
Warm, friendly, natural English.
After work, did you finally get a chance to relax?
Yes. I went out with some friends and we hung out at a small cafe near my apartment.
Hang out is one of my favorite phrasal verbs.
Same. It sounds relaxed and casual.
Do you want to hang out this weekend?
It's not formal, just spending time together.
And honestly, conversations like that are one of the best ways to improve your English.
Absolutely. You hear expressions naturally and slowly start picking them up.
By the way, if you're enjoying this episode so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Master English channel.
And comment below with your favorite phrasal verb from today's episode.
We read your comments all the time.
Sarah, let me ask you something. Do you work out regularly?
I try to.
That sounds dangerous already.
I usually start strong, but halfway through I run out of energy.
Run out of means you have no more of something.
We ran out of coffee.
I ran out of time.
Or, in my case, motivation. But honestly, learning English feels exactly the same sometimes.
Definitely. At first you feel tired and confused.
And sometimes you want to give up. But if you keep on going, things slowly start to work out.
That's the important part. Progress happens little by little.
Speaking of responsibility, last week I had to look after my cousin's cat.
Really? How did that go?
Surprisingly well. Until I almost forgot to feed it.
Poor cat.
Look after means to take care of someone or something.
Can you look after my dog this weekend?
Very common in daily English.
Here's another good one. Find out.
Oh yes, that means discovering information.
I found out the meeting was canceled.
Then after you find out the problem, you figure out what to do next.
Exactly. Those two are connected.
Okay, Daniel, before we finish, let's do a quick review.
Let's do it.
Pick up.
Learn naturally or collect something.
Figure out.
Solve a problem.
Look for.
Search for something.
Give up.
Stop trying.
Carry on.
Continue.
Work out.
Solve something or exercise.
Hang out.
Spend relaxed time with friends.
Run out of.
Have nothing left.
Look after.
Take care of someone or something.
See? Phrasal verbs become much easier when you hear them naturally in conversations.
That's why listening practice is so powerful.
So here's your challenge for today.
Use one phrasal verb from this episode in a real sentence.
Say it out loud.
Write it in the comments.
Or use it while talking to a friend.
Small steps every day.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Master English channel, and share this episode with a friend learning English.
Keep on practicing.
Don't give up.
And carry on learning.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.